No, just start talking. So, and today we are again having an extra 2-hour session. That's being flexible. You're asking for flexibility. That's being flexible. So if you can't join those sessions that you are having, then it means that you are the one who is not flexible. But the good news is that you're already here. It means you are flexible. And within the 2 hours, I think Yvonne should be able, if you pay attention, Yvonne should be able to solve your problem. So what we're gonna do, she will take you through the project and then change the data set because he has already taken you through the project. So you can't have the same thing. So she's gonna take you through the project and then change the data set and answer the same questions. Or maybe change a little bit of some of the questions, but this is the same thing. So that's why we are here. And again, that's being flexible. And again, on Saturday, tomorrow, that makes the project still due at 11:59 tonight. There's no exception. Because that project, if you know what is happening, you can do it in how many minutes, Yvonne, can you do it? 5 minutes or 10 minutes? I have people
maximum joining. A maximum of 15 minutes.
Yes. So what we are going to do, Yvonne,
yes,
you will take them through maybe spend the first 30 minutes to take them through how the project is done.
Okay.
And I think you can use, let's use this approach. Don't use the data set that they have been given.
Okay.
Let them use that data set to do the project. Give them a different data set to go through the question, all right?
Okay.
Yeah, and would you mind starting with using Jupyter Notebook or?
Okay, okay. We will use
Jupyter Notebook and use from the scan. And then we need to confirm from them. Can you stop sharing, please? So that I have another shot. I see so many people entering.
You are sharing your screen.
No, I'm not the one sharing my screen.
Pam,
and I have, is it 11 people in the call?
Yes.
This means
David on watch, please stop unmuting yourself. I am the one muting you. You have background noise, please.
This means that people are really having, there are two things. Either people are really having issues or they are not studying at all. If we have a full house, it means people are really having issues or they are not reading or attempting this thing on their own before they come to the call. And I wish the instructor is here. If the instructor is here, he should get this message. That's why I need to share. I need to share the screenshot. So that he knows that the call is a full house.
Not all of us has a problem. Me, I attended because of the module 1.
Yeah, that's the problem. If you are not done module 1 by now, people are going to module 3. Then that's the problem. I don't know. My computer is misbehaving, but just bear with me. It's not responding. I hope it responds soon. I think I'll capture the screenshot and post it later. Yeah, it's not responding when it comes to. So, Celine, if you are not able to do module 1 by now, and people are going to module 3, that is the problem. So you have a problem. So, and I think because the project will take a lot of time, and some of the people are not here because of the project, they are here because of the module. Yvonne, what do you think? Do you want to start with taking them through the modules, signing up, setting up email, and then, yes?
I think I'll start with the module because it's really fast. And then after that, I can release those who are good with the project and then remain with the ones that need help with the project.
I think that will be great. So please do not leave the meeting until you get help, because the project is still due at 11:59. And as Yvonne has said, if you know what you are doing, it will only take you 15 minutes. In fact, if you have a problem with the project, leave when you have submitted. leave when you are submitting. And I think Yvonne, after taking them through using the project using a different data set, let them share their screen and do the project online and then submit. If one student can do it online until the student submits, the others will be able to run from there.
Okay.
But the due date for the project is still 11:59.
Okay.
And on Saturday, tomorrow, the starter will spend a few minutes going through the project one, and then after that will be given a test, which we'll do online, practical, and it only take 15 minutes. So just make sure you make maximum use of this. Okay, thank you very much. I don't want any more questions. Please direct any other question to the assistant technical instructor. Thank you very much. I beg to leave.
So welcome again. I will request if you have the document that we are supposed to be signing. If you have it, please state it in the chat. I need you to share your screen so that I guide you from there.
Okay, excuse me, Yvonne, can you kindly just send us the document again?
Sawa.
It will be much better nikiwa nayo pia.
Okay. Let me send it again to Python Africa group chat. I'm sending it right now. So one of you can download and then share your screen so that I guide you, because it's real quick. And then after that, we go to the project.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Okay, I have sent it right now.
Okay. Ndio nataka kushare. No? Ndio.
Pam, you are not muted.
Sasa nashangaa window entire screen. I'm just sharing the entire screen. Why?
You are finding it.
Okay, I'm trying to share, and I don't know where the.
Do you see a green button at the bottom of your screen written share?
It's okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can.
So can you see there?
Yes. So, okay, let me take you through this document. This document consists of the course outline. It is also the contract that trainees are supposed to sign. We cannot work with you without a signed contract. So after this, I need you to sign that contract. It adds up to your marks. When you sign it, you're given 100% for that part of the marks. You need to sign it and send it to me before tomorrow. Before the class tomorrow, I need it signed and sent. The emails will be dropped in the Python Africa group. So wait first, don't scroll. Please go up. Yeah. So I want to first touch on the place written rate, 300 shillings. If you have a cursor, please point to that.
Here.
Yes. So that is the rate of consultation hours. For example, you are lagging behind or you are kind of busy and you need the instructor to have private lessons for you. In Africa, okay, in Kenya right now, you'll pay 300 shillings and the consultations hours will be from Tuesday from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Tuesdays. And then there is the 1,500 below. That is the rate of consultation hours for people in North America. And they will still be on Tuesdays from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, and then as we all know, we are supposed to take a Python certification course or certification test, and it will be taken on September, not January 2nd. January 2nd is for, that date is for trainees that will come. Someone has an echo. Please mute yourself if you know you have an echo. So if you know you're unmuted, please mute. So yes, so the test date will be on September. It won't be on January. The January test date is for the students that are enrolling in September. Okay, now you can scroll, but scroll slowly. Please scroll. Okay, those are the names of your instructors and technical assistants. Scroll. Scroll, please. Please scroll. Okay, that is the name of the certification you're supposed to do. Wait, the certification name is entry-level Python programmer. That is the certification you're supposed to do by September. And in order for you to pass this course, you must pass that certification. You can scroll. Okay, you can read this document. I won't spend much time in this document because we also have to go through the project, and right now it's 9:10. So it's a little bit late. So yeah, we are supposed to end by 10:30 and right now it's 9:10. So I won't spend much time, but I will go through the most important things in this document. And the rest, like the course overview, that is something you can spend 10 minutes reading and you will understand. Now scroll, please scroll. Please scroll. Scroll, that is just the course outline. That is what we will be doing, the functions. Wait, hold on. Yes, this is just the course outline. This is what we will be doing in this Python class. The basics, the modules, the data types and evaluators. Please scroll. Evaluations, sorry, not evaluators. Please scroll. 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 Yes, there. There. Pause. Okay, now this is where you will get your the module 1, the test you're supposed to do. As you can see, the certification link is the first link there, and the certification is $76 and it is paid directly to the Python institution. And yeah, so the second link is the link which contains the module you're supposed to do. I want you to click the link written Edube Interactive. You see that link? Click that link. Not that one, not that one. No. Yes, that one. Written Edube Interactive. Yes. Hold Shift and then Control and double click. Hold Control and double click. Not Shift, Control and double click. Okay. I hope now everyone is following. This is the most important part. This is where you are going to take your module, your model tests from. Okay. Pam, now I want you to sign up. Where is it written sign up? Sign up, yes, there. Please sign up. Sign up. Fill in your email and your password and sign up. And then after signing up, you confirm your email. Please confirm your email. Okay, now log in. Activate and then log in. Activate. And then log in. Okay, I want you to go where it is written Python 1 Essentials. Yes, you can click the details to see what it entails. So this just explains what module 1 contains, and then what Python 1 Essential entails. Sorry, not module 1. Close it. Close it. Now I want you to enroll. Yes, use English. Okay, scroll. Launch course. There. Now what is loading are the notes for module 1. Okay, you see where it is written about PE1. I want you to click that arrow. Where it is written about, yes, I want you to click that arrow. Yes, now you are scrolling. Scroll again. Not down, using that arrow. These are just notes that you will read. I won't take you through those notes. You will have to read on your own and understand. Scroll again. Scroll again. Scroll again. So these are the notes that you will read. And then at the end of these notes, it will give you a link that you will use to take the module 1 test, which is an open book test. So yes, I guess we are done with that. What is left is you reading those notes, and then when you reach the end of those notes, you will find the link to take the test. You take the test and give us your results. It is an open book test. So if the pass mark is 70%, so if you fail, you do again and again and again until you pass. Pam, please, you will do that later. Right now, please go back to the document. Yes, okay. There down, I want you to keep scrolling now.
Yvonne?
Yes. Wait.
So after
we
have signed up and logged into where the Python Essential, do we enroll or?
Yes.
I didn't get that.
Yes, enroll for the Python module 1. For the Python Essentials 1, that course, enroll that course.
Enroll for free.
Pardon?
Enroll for free. Enroll for free.
Yes. Wait. Share your screen. I don't know where you are. Please share your screen.
Wait. I can share music. I've logged in with my phone and I've opened my laptop separately. So I can share.
Then it's Salin, right?
Yes.
I will help you. You'll just, when you are able to access your computer, you'll just send me a screen.
I have my computer. I'm just saying I'm using my computer. Okay, let me share. Okay, just continue. I'll share the screenshot from my computer.
Okay, so these are the class policies. You see where the cursor is? Those are the class policies. So please go through the class policies. because I don't want us to have issues with that. Scroll till the bottom of the document, till the end of the document. Yes, now that is where you sign. You can use a digital signer, please. When I say digital signer, I don't mean you write your name. I mean you use apps like Adobe Signer, which helps you to sign digitally. So I need you, this is where you sign. If you don't have access to a digital signer, you can also print the last page, sign it, scan it back, and send it to us. Okay, that is another way. Yes, so anyone who has a question up to there concerning module 1, please, you are free to ask.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
So there are no answers to questions to be answered?
There are, you see the end of the notes you are scrolling past. At the end, you will find a link that will tell you to test yourself. That is where you'll find the question.
Okay.
You can, okay, fine, let's go and scroll. Go back to the Chrome browser. Not there. There, yes, that one. Keep scrolling, scroll quick, do it quickly. There. It's loading. Yes, don't start. You haven't read the notes, but that is the quiz that you're supposed to do after you read those notes that we have scrolled past.
Ndo iko due leo?
Hapana. The one that is due today is the Python project, which we are going to get into after I have finished showing you the module 1 project.
Na hii hapa sasa ni gani? Hiyo ndio ni ya PE whatever, the certification exam ama?
Yes, so kuna modules nyingi hapo. After module 1 utaenda module 2. After module 2 utaenda module 3. Hivo. And then when you are done, now you can sit for the Python certification.
So to me, I'm supposed to like answer these questions at my own time, Mama?
No, before class tomorrow, you're supposed to have done that quiz.
This one of module 1?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
But relax, it's not difficult. It's not difficult.
It's okay.
Okay, but if you encounter any issues or any challenges, just reach out to me. I'll see how I can help you.
Thank you.
Okay, so is there anyone else with a question before we move on?
I don't know whether I've tried to share the screenshot of my screen. I don't know whether it has come.
Stop sharing, yes. Try.
Pardon?
Try sharing it.
No, I'm saying I've joined the Zoom with my phone, but I'm doing the name on my laptop. So there is no way I can share the screen. There are two different gadgets. Huh?
Okay.
That's what I was asking if what I was doing is the same thing.
So I don't know what you are enrolling into because they are also, I don't know where you are. At the moment, I can't tell what you are enrolling into. So I will just advise you after this meeting, please send me a screenshot on WhatsApp, or I can create a Google Meet link and then you share your screen and show me where you're at, because currently I can't help you until I see.
Yvonne.
Yes.
Yvonne.
Yeah.
Python Essential 1 Beginners. That is where I am.
Yes, that one. Enroll. If that's where you are. Have you logged in first?
I've signed up, I've logged in.
Yes, now enroll.
English, okay.
Where are you? What is it?
It's brought my email again.
It's brought your email.
But I sign up.
Yeah, maybe it logged you out. Just sign up. Okay, sign in, not sign up, sign in.
Kindly, Yvonne, you could post your email via the chat so that maybe I send you the document you just requested us to sign.
Okay. And also in that document, there is an email you're supposed to send it to Bushuru. That email written Bushuru. Okay, let me just drop my mail.
Okay, I think I'm in the, so I launched the course, huh?
But yes. Also, you please go through the Python Africa group. That is where we communicate, and that is where you'll find emails and you'll find communications on what to do when you are stuck and where to send the document to. Please.
Well, I think I'm good to go.
You have seen the learning materials.
Yeah, well, welcome to Python Essential 1, Python Essential Part 1.
Okay. We are not getting you clearly.
It's not scrolling. I don't know. How do I click it? The Python Essentials Part 1.
No, you see where it is written about PE1.
Yeah, I see.
Those notes, there is an arrow.
Yes. I click there.
Yeah, click that one.
Okay. Proceed. Okay, I'm good. The course, the syllabus. Thank you.
Hello, Yvonne.
Yes.
Yeah. From my end, I'm completely lost actually. Yes, I'm new to. I've just joined today.
Yes, welcome.
Yes, I'm still trying to figure out where you guys are getting the links.
No, don't worry. I will guide you. Just okay. I know your case. Yours is a special case.
Yeah.
One of the main reasons this meeting was created was to help you. So
yeah.
Yes, don't worry. Just relax.
Okay.
Let me first deal with them and then come to you.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Yvonne,
yes.
This is Austin.
Yes.
I've joined now. So I don't know where to start.
Do you you have issues with module 1?
I don't know where you are because I've just joined now.
Okay.
So I don't know what the discussion is all about, or is it about the syllabus or the content?
No. The discussion. I am just guiding you on how to do module 1 and also guiding you
Okay.
if you have any issues with the project that you're supposed to submit by the end of day today.
I don't know of any project because I've just joined now. So I don't know if we should go to the website and check those details or
Wait, you have joined the school today?
now.
Now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just wait with Diana. I'll help you both, please.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, please. Let me first
Okay.
deal with, yes?
I don't see the notes. I don't know where to click to get the notes.
What are you seeing on your screen?
Application for Python, but it's not the. Okay, first it is the syllabus, the course syllabus. Huh?
Yes, just continue and continue and continue clicking. You will get the notes.
I continue clicking the forward arrow.
Yes, just click.
Okay.
Have you seen the notes?
It is still loading. You can just proceed with the rest as I check I'll let you know where I am.
Okay, so guys, okay. So is there anyone else who is having issues with module 1? Please, if you're having issues, I am giving you 3 minutes to speak up before we go on.
Yvonne?
Yes?
Oh, I think I'm good to go. I think as I continue scrolling, I'm seeing like they're not so yeah, I'm good. I think I can leave the meeting.
Okay, so fine. So if you have, if you know you don't have any issues with the Python project, it's fine. I can release you. You can go. I now want to be left with the 2 new students and everyone else who has issues with the Python project. So I just want to ask, who went through the recording that I sent today in the group earlier, the one which I said is for the class? If you know you did, please tell me.
I went through it.
And did you understand?
Yes, I did actually. So the bit that I didn't understand,
Yes.
it's either haikuwa captured kwa hiyo nini ama ni mimi sikui capture, you know.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Pam, please first stop sharing your screen. We'll just get to you, please. I need to see people. Yes. So who has issues with Jupyter Notebook installation? If you know you don't have a Jupyter Notebook, okay. So let's go to Austin and Diana.
Yes.
Diana, where are you?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So do you have a software known as Anaconda?
No, I don't.
Maybe I will download it.
Yes. So
Yeah,
I need you. Let me give you the link to download.
Okay.
Yes. So Just 1 minute, I get it for you.
Right.
I am dropping it. I'm dropping the link on the chat. Please visit that and download that software. Please.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay. Yeah, download it, and then after downloading, you tell me if it's done. So when you okay. So when you guys are downloading, please allow me to deal with other people.
That's fine.
Okay, so let's go to the others. So who, okay, I want you to tell me what your issue was in the project so that I see where I can start from. The rest. Pam, Tracy, Geoffrey.
Okay, so
Yes.
I was able to import the data set and also read it.
Yes.
And where the problem was, when it comes to some statistical analysis, like kuangalia the sample, the shape. So maybe if I share my screen, you'll see it better.
Yeah, please share your screen.
And then nilishindwa kufanya the last two questions, the computational of statistical.
Yeah, don't worry. I will help you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now please share your screen. I want to see your errors so that I gauge your understanding. Okay. Okay, just scroll.
Just bringing the same error.
Can you run column? You have written the s.info. Don't run all. Don't run all. Also, I want you to use Jupyter Notebook.
Okay, my laptop cannot it can't. I can't install any other because I don't have enough storage.
Okay, okay, fine. Scroll up. Scroll. Let's see why it's giving you that. Oh,
because no. I defined it, my data set, I call it DS, so I don't know why it's bringing that error. And I tried doing this.
You have not imported the data set?
Yeah, it is.
That is not how, wait. Oh, you have.
I have, here it is. Like, okay, this is how you do the nini.
Okay.
The path, like how to escape the path. But this is where I imported it up here.
Where is it? Then and on I can see it. Yes, this is what I was looking for. pd.read CSV. Okay, fine. Yes, you have imported.
Yeah.
Now scroll a bit. You know your problem. I tell you where your problem is.
Yes, please.
Scroll, keep scrolling. I show you a problem. You see, stop. You see here, okay, you see the cell written 8, number 8.
Yeah.
You have assigned the variable ds to a string. So it's now not a data set, but a string. Do you understand me?
It did say, no, it didn't say, but it's string.
Before, you see.
This one?
Yes. You see that?
But this one is a way. Okay, it's a way of escaping, Mama.
Yes, it's a way of escaping, but you can't escape when you are in Google Colab. You escape when you're in Jupyter Notebooks. Those are two very different things.
Okay.
Yes, so that is your error. I want you to go up there where you have imported the data set and write DS1. Yes, right, DS1. And then write ds1.head. Scroll down. Okay, write ds1 also. Scroll again. Don't change the different, don't touch the different ways of escaping, just scroll. Scroll, scroll. Okay, there, DS1. Okay.
Okay, I can now correct these ones. It's okay. So,
yes.
Just to save on time,
Yeah.
Can you kindly tell me what to write when it comes to computing the statistical summary of the numerical columns, then transform them?
I want you to run I want you to write DS1 on describe and run that column.
That one?
Yes. Okay, now stop. Don't run the others. Stop. Don't run.
Okay.
Yes. So I guess I have sorted your error. Yours was not about the project. You had just done a tiny mistake.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So the last two questions, it's okay.
You can just, don't worry, you can just stop sharing your screen. But the .describe function is the one that gives you the statistical summary.
Oh, so niko sawa, nimemaliza assignment.
Stop sharing your screen. Please stop sharing your screen. Okay. So I'm sorry, Pam, but it's a test. I really can't answer that. I'm sorry. But so far, I have helped you where I can. Are you satisfied? Pam.
I wanted to know, like maybe you direct me what I'm expected to do in these last two questions. Not that you're giving me the lines to write, you know.
Okay. So let me show you. Let me import okay. Okay, fine. Someone, okay, fine. Sawa. Pam, please kapo tu kidogo. Naenda tunakuonyesha tu sahi. Tracy, your issue?
Yeah. For me, after the last class we had, I think after the last class we had, so I traveled and I've been doing field work until yesterday. So today is when I'm opening this assignment. So I'm totally blank and I just see the deadline is today midnight. So I am truly, I had gasped something during the last class, but honestly saying, I don't know if I can manage even to submit this assignment by end of today.
Okay. Okay, fine. Fine, Tracy, I have had your issue. Who else has an issue? Please state your issues before I want to start explaining, and I want to explain everything all at once. I don't want to explain to one person, then go to the next, then go to the next. I just want to do it all together. So please, John, please state your issue. Pam, I am muting you. John, are you there? Okay, anyone else who has a clear issue, or you know what is your issue here, please state your issue before I start explaining, please. So you guys have no issues? I am waiting for you to state your issues. Okay, fine. Then if you have no issues, let me start explaining. Okay, just give me a minute and then I'll share my screen. One minute. I am searching for the best data set to use. Okay. Let me check on the progress. Austin and who was it? Esther. No, Diana, sorry. Austin and
Yes.
Diana. How is it
Yes.
going? Before I start
It
sharing
is,
my screen, have you been able to install it?
I was required to update it. It's updating, then now it is initializing. I think in a few seconds it will be up. Yes, it's up. It requires me to sign in.
Yes.
To create an account, that is.
Yes. Wait.
So,
have you installed the installer?
yes.
Do you know what an installer is? Have you ever installed an application?
This one is installed, so I'm required to sign in or create an account.
Can you please share your screen?
Just a minute. I'm just checking option for sharing and I'm not seeing it on my screen.
You can't see a green button.
Green.
It's green. Yes, it's green with an arrow pointing
Oh,
upwards.
okay,
written.
okay,
Yes.
okay. I'm seeing it.
Okay.
I do a basic one.
Pardon?
Just a moment. That's permission. Just a minute. I'm not sure if you can see it.
Okay.
It's already running background, but some login is required.
Okay, let me see. Yes, login.
No, not so. Should I create it? An account.
Yes, you can just create.
Okay. Yes.
And how is Diana doing?
Yeah, mine is installing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Austin. Okay.
Yes, I'm getting you.
Why are you not doing anything?
No, I'm logging in.
Okay, now, as you two log in, let me share my screen. So, okay, this is my screen. This is the project that we were supposed to do. So I will take you through it, but I will use a different data set. As you can see, my data set is not the same as yours. This one is different. So, number one, you are required to install the libraries that you are going to use, which is Pandas and NumPy. These are the two libraries you're supposed to install. And then you are required to perform escape functions, 5 of them. I will just give you one. I will need you to go and research the rest. There are actually 5. Okay, I will give you 2. Let me give you another one. For example, you have a data. Okay, our data set is called extra-learn. Another way of escaping is putting this data set in the same folder as your notebook. Sorry, I had forgotten that name. As your notebook, putting this data set in the same folder as your notebook. After putting it in the same folder as your notebook, you come here and do the F2 is equals to pd.read CSV, and then the name of the data set is extra-learn, so it is extra.
Wait, Yvonne,
Yes.
do you have all these like in your Jupyter notebook already, or is it something that you need to like, is it something that we need to like start? Like for me, my Jupyter notebook was just activated last week. So
yes,
I have not interacted with it so much. So on my first line, I just have to write import pandas as PD like that. And
yeah.
and this other one, how do I create the directory that is the DF above it and the DF below it?
So let me show you how to create a Jupyter notebook. Just give me a minute. So when you open your Jupyter notebook, you will be taken here.
Such a page.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Yes, you come here to new. You press this Python 3. Then it creates for you a new notebook. You check here. Kernel is starting, please wait. Kernel ready, trusted. This shows that your Jupyter notebook is ready to use.
Okay.
Are we clear until there? Has everyone understood?
Let me just open it.
So mine was blank. Mine looks like this. It's just that to save on time, I have imported this just to save on time, because we are supposed to end at 10:30 and now it's 9:57, though we will extend, but I don't want to keep you here. That's why I'm trying to save on time. Have you understood until there?
Yes.
I need you to talk to me so that I know where we are. If I am going too fast, tell me you are going too fast. I will slow down. If you haven't understood, tell me I have not understood. Okay.
You are going too fast. So I'm still, my mind is just now opened. Jupyter,
Okay.
then Anaconda 3 application desktop, something like that.
Okay, yes. It has brought you to a place that looks like this.
Yes.
So you see this place written new.
Yes.
Click that.
Okay.
Esther, where are you? Esther, sorry. Diana, why do I keep calling you Esther? I am sorry. Diana.
Yeah, mine is still installing. I don't know why it's taking this long.
But you are following, right?
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay. If we leave you, I don't want to leave anyone behind. So yeah.
So you knew, then we do what?
You see, do you have somewhere written Python 3 IPY kernel?
Yes, yes.
Click that. And Do you have Python installed?
Python
Yes,
installed?
yes.
Not yet.
So
So I go to the website.
no. Let's check. Let's see if you have Python installed. I want you to import these libraries that I have imported. Let's check.
How do you about that?
Import pandas as PD and import NumPy as NP.
How do you do importing?
Okay. So let's go to the empty notebook. You have a notebook like this, right?
Okay, I have a page like that. I'm currently in such a page.
What is it written? Can you see Python here? IPY kernel.
Yes.
Then you have Python.
Okay.
But let's just try to import it. You write just import.
Okay.
Pandas as PD. Try that.
Import pandas as PD. That's such a sentence.
Yes.
Okay.
With spaces, right?
Yeah, the way I have written it there, just like that.
Okay.
For me, it tells me module not found, error.
Yes. So
I click OK.
Click run.
Okay, click run.
Is it throwing you an error?
No, it's bringing me to another in brackets dot, or that's column when I run.
Like this, like mine.
Yeah.
So you have pandas installed. The one who has told me that theirs is giving them module not found. I can't see you. I am sharing my screen.
It's me, yeah.
So
it's me, it's Tracy Lynn.
Tracy, I want you to go to Google and search. Do you have Python first? What is your kernel saying?
My kernel is okay. It is saying Python 3 IPY kernel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after this class, I want you to go to Google. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
How to install pandas in Python. Okay. Then
yes,
you go to the first link.
The one that is written scalar topics, okay.
Yes. And then you follow that procedure, you will be able to install it. If you have any issues, reach out to me, I will help you. Is that okay?
That's okay. My question would be like, this assignment is due tonight. So this is like,
no,
that's why I was requesting
I understand
for
your case.
for some
I
of us.
understand your case.
Yeah.
I understand your case. You have system issues, so I will extend it to you and to you only because you're having system issues. Yes. But by before tomorrow, 10 a.m., you're supposed to have submitted it. Is that okay?
So once, okay, in case I incur any other challenge, I reach back to you.
Yes, yes, you can just call me. I will pick the call. So let's continue. So I have showed you, okay, I have showed you two ways of escaping. please go and research. There are 5, but I will only show you 2 so that you also do something. You know, when you research, you learn, and when you learn, it sticks. So I need it to stick. So I need you to go and research the other ways. These are 2 ways of escaping. Okay, so and then use pandas to read your data set. This is how you read your data set. Okay, so perform the following. Read the first 5 rows. So these are the first 5 rows. Is everyone with me? First, before I continue. Hello.
Hello?
For me, I think I'm even giving up. So
Don't give up.
yeah.
Just stay and watch. Don't worry.
If I watch and I don't even have the panda, it doesn't
Don't-
give me the motivation
No.
to like
Listen. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay. I will help you through installing pandas. That's just a library. And in Python, if you want to be a data scientist or you want to do Python, you will encounter so many of these errors. You will be running a code and it tells you you don't have that module. The thing you do is you just go and install the module. It is not such a big thing. It is something that you will encounter over and over again. So you have to be resilient over it. You have to take heart and go and install. It is something that will take you installation. If you have good internet connectivity, it is something that will take you like 5 minutes or even 3 minutes and you're done. So just calm down and please let's go through this test, and then I will help you through the process of installation. Okay? Okay, Tracy.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
So
Yvonne,
yes.
just a recap. Like if the section that you are, about you said that we import pandas as PD, then we import NumPy as NP, right?
Yes.
Then you run. Then what should it bring?
Nothing.
Okay.
As you can see, I don't have an output.
Okay.
Yes.
So in your third section, by in buckets 3, DF, what are those?
Oh, this now is escaping. This is the question that says, from a 9 data set, perform the following. Show 5 different ways of escaping using pandas library. Use the pandas library to read your data set clearly. So these are just 2 ways.
Okay.
Yes, this is just escaping. And then you read your data set. Now this is reading the data set. After I have escaped, I have read the data set. Can everyone see my cursor? After I have escaped. Okay, now let me remove this. I guess it will confuse you. After I have escaped, I have read my data set. And then I have displayed my data set. Okay. Now let us continue. Just give me a minute. My phone is on battery low and I'm using it to read the questions. Just 1 minute. Okay. I think we are good to go. Yes. Now, so read the first 5 rows of your data set. These are the first 5 rows. If you want to read the first 5 rows of your data set, you just do f.head. The head brings you the first 5 rows of your data set. It brings you the column names and then the first 5 rows. But let's just do it again. Sorry, it's not DF, it's DF1. Sorry, I have used a wrong name. It's df1.head. Yes, there. And then the other question tells us to read the last 5 rows of our data set. So it is df1.tail. So the first 5 rows is the head and the last 5 rows is the tail. The head is the beginning, the tail is the end. As you can see, this is the tail of our data set. Then the other question is telling us to sample 10 rows. So it will be the f.sample. Are you guys with me? Have you guys understood what I'm doing? Hello?
Yes, I'm getting you, but just wondering, do you have data already in your machine?
Yes. Wait, what do you mean? Do I have data ready in my machine?
When we talk of data set, I think data set means that there are some information that you have that you want to run.
So, you know what a data set means? A data set is a file that you are given to do, yes. So, I am using a different file. My file is called extralearn.
Okay.
I am not using your file, and my file is stored at a folder, at my users folder, at my documents folder. And then in that folder, there's a subfolder called data science. And then in that subfolder, there's also another subfolder called machine learning. In that subfolder, there's a subfolder called logistic regression. And then the extralearn dataset. Have you understood?
I'm getting you, but I think I'm sorry to just say,
yes.
As in, we just enrolled some few hours ago. So is there a file that we are supposed to run, that we are supposed to use?
Yes, I will share it in the group.
Okay.
I will share it with you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes. So up to there, is there anyone with questions before I go on? So
I have a question, Yvonne.
Yes.
Yeah, how long should it take to install? I think mine is taking a bit longer.
It depends with your internet connectivity. It depends with your internet connectivity. If your internet is fast, it won't take time. If your internet is a bit slow, it will take a little bit of time. But all in all, it will install. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So I want you people to really understand this. The head displays the first row. The head, okay. In a human being, the head is the first thing. The tail, in an animal, the head is the first thing, the tail is the last thing. So that's the same thing in a data set. The head displays the first 5 rows, the tail displays the last 5 rows, and then when you are told to sample, to sample is to take something and check it. For example, you are told to sample food. To sample food is to take a portion of food and test and see how it tastes. That's what sampling is. So even in data science, that is the same explanation also applies to data science. To sample is to take a portion of your data set and see how it looks like. That's what sampling is. And it takes rows from everywhere. It takes rows at random. It doesn't take rows from a certain position. As you can see, this is the 587th row, then the 2005th row, then the 415th row, 950, 440. You see, it is at random. So sampling is at random. Are we clear up to there? Is there anyone who hasn't understood or anyone who has a question before I proceed? Okay, let me continue. Sorry. Why am I not selecting that cell? So the other question says, display the data information. Now, here you just do df1.info. This command displays the information of your data set. And what kind of information does it display? It displays your columns and your data types. This is a bit advanced, but let me just tell you. Okay, it displays your data types and your columns. That's what displaying information means. So you just write df.info, and that is displaying information. Are we clear up to there?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Display the shape of the data set. You just write df.shape. Sorry, df1.shape. I keep forgetting. Okay. As you can see, I want you to make an observation. These commands are really like simple. For example, display the information, it's just info. Display the shape, it's just shape. It's not really that complicated. Can you guys take note of that? I want you to take note of that also, that the commands follow each other, like display the first 5 rows. You just write the head and then it displays the first 5 rows. Display the last 5 rows. You just write tail and then it displays the last 5 rows. Are we clear until there?
Yes.
Is there anyone with a question?
Yes.
You have a question? Okay, let's move on. Compute the statistical summary of the data set. So let me show you df1 dot describe dot t. So this is the statistical summary of our data set. What does statistical summary entail? Statistical summary entails the count, the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum, the quartile range, and then the maximum. So that is what statistical summary entails. And we have this command called describe, that when you run it, it gives you all these combined. You don't have to run each and every one of them. You just have to run this one command and it will display everything at a go. Are you clear until there?
Yes.
Okay. Then describe the summary of the categorical columns. So here we are told to describe the summary of our categorical columns. So we have numerical columns and categorical columns. Numerical columns are these columns that are made up of numbers, and categorical columns are these columns that are not made up of numbers, are made up of words like male and female, yes and no. Those are what categorical columns are. So to describe the summary of categorical columns, we have to come here and state that we want to describe the summary of objects. We have to say that we want to describe, and then inside that describe, we write include is equals to object. And that is how you describe the summary of categorical columns. So yes, that was the whole project. As you can see, it's not very hard, though it can be really challenging for a beginner. But as you go on, the more you practice, the more you learn these things, the more it becomes easier and easier for you. So before I stop sharing my screen, does anyone have a question? If you have a question, please voice it out right now.
If you can just share the file that you said, so that we can also try on our end.
Yes, I will share it in WhatsApp, the Python Africa group. You are there, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's where I will share the file just after this meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see if I can help. Who had a problem with their pandas library? Tracy, was it you?
Yes, and now I have just accidentally pressed on my logout in Jupyter, and it is refusing password, and I don't remember setting password on Jupyter.
Okay, so I need you to uninstall it.
To uninstall what?
You have forgotten your Jupyter password.
Yes.
Did you have a recovery email? Because if you don't,
I don't remember if
you don't remember, the only other option is to uninstall. There's no other option. You uninstall and then you reinstall.
Can I uninstall?
Okay, since Tracy.
Yes.
Since it's only you that has a problem, I think I can let all the others drop and then we are left with you. Though
No
it will take time downloading, so I think
now it's okay. I think I just closed it and then opened again, and it now
you are able
it is
to
now
log in.
okay.
You are able to log in.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
You've remembered the password?
Not really. I just closed it and then now navigated back to it.
Okay. But don't forget your password. If you forget that password, hey, the only other option will be uninstalling and reinstalling. So,
okay.
Who had a problem with their pandas?
I had the problem with the pandas.
Okay. So which operating system are you using?
64-bit.
Windows.
64-bit Windows.
I want you to navigate to the CMD.
Yvonne, just a minute.
I am
Let
there.
me interrupt a little bit.
Yes.
So after installation, I register for free.
Yes. Create an account.
Okay.
So
allow me to join with my laptop so that maybe I can share my screen.
yes,
Or
yes,
it's okay, or it's
yes,
just
fine.
okay. Okay, in the meantime, okay, we can just continue because my Zoom is updating, my laptop Zoom is updating. So it's
I
gonna take
want you
some time.
to run
So
the following commands in your terminal. Run pip, pip. Okay, let me type it in the chat. But run pip install pandas. It's pip install pandas. Can you see my chat? Can you see my text?
yeah.
Yes, I want you to run that. Open the command prompt and run that.
After clicking it, I just click enter.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it says requirement already satisfied. Pandas in E, Anaconda library, stroke site packages 1.5. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so I want you to go back to your Jupyter notebook. Run that first line. Can you? I don't. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Tracy, I am muting you. Okay, so I need you to run that first line. That import pandas as PD. Tracy, you are muted. You are on mute. I can't hear you.
Yes, it's still bringing an error. Module not found error. I don't know. I'm just sharing my screen right now.
Yeah, just
so
share it. Let me see. How many Pythons do you have in your laptop?
I think more than one. Because the first time we installed it, I think it brought an error, and then
I said I have seen your error. I didn't say panda. I said pandas. S. Yes. Okay. Now run. Yes. You see. That was your error. Yes. So.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
The second one was import
NumPy.
Import panda as NumPy.
Import NumPy. NumPy as
R.
No, space as NP. N for nation, P for yeah.
It's supposed not to bring anything.
Yeah, those are libraries you're importing. It won't bring anything.
Okay.
So if there is no one with a question, then we are good to go. Is there anyone? Sorry?
I have a question. How do I import that data since I have already downloaded it from my computer. I go to
No, you don't. Open your folder. Open where the dataset is. Open the folder containing the dataset.
it's here.
Share that screen. Share that window or screen.
Yeah, so I'm sharing my entire screen. So this is the where I've just downloaded it today. This one.
Okay. You see that arrow, that blue arrow.
This one.
No, I need you. You see that down arrow, not that one. Yes. Okay. Wait. First, this is so wrong. Create a folder. Create a folder and put that data set in. First.
On the
Do it on the
on
document.
the desktop or I could just create it
Documents.
from here.
Do it on the documents. Wait, where are you? No. Don't stop.
Okay.
It is not advisable to put datasets or any folder in local disk. See, that is not an application. Go to your documents.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now you can create not OneDrive documents. That you are on your OneDrive documents. I need you to go on your OneDrive. I don't want you to be on your OneDrive.
My laptop is synced with OneDrive, so it's either I just use it. It's on C, so all my documents are usually synced with OneDrive. But no problem about it, because even if I create it here, it will still, my OneDrive is full, so it will not even save in OneDrive.
Okay, then create a document and save the dataset in that document. Create a folder, create a folder and save the dataset in that folder.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
1 minute. So I want you to copy that path. Yeah. No, don't cut. You can copy it. Copy.
okay.
Control C.
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Now let's go to your Jupyter notebook.
And there you can see the screen. Oh,
yes.
okay.
Create a new cell. You see that plus icon? Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Right. Give it any name.
What?
Write anything there like df or number or yes is equals to. It's okay. Is equals to.
df is equals to. Then I put that one, right?
No.
Okay.
df is equals to R, write R, small r. Then open quotation marks. Then copy that path in there. And then close those quotation marks. Then run. Have you run it?
Yes.
Okay. You can just, okay, press enter. In that cell, in that same cell, enter.
Yeah.
Then write print, small p.
This one should be small d.
Yes. Parenthesis.
What is that?
Sorry, I can't.
Semicolon?
Not. Brackets in short. Brackets. Brackets.
Okay.
Then write df. Then run. Yes. Press enter. Not enter there. Sorry. Get a new cell. Sorry. Yes. Now write df1. df1.
df1.
Yes. Is equals to pd.read CSV. pd dot read not dot read okay, it's not an hyphen really, it's I am tired. Okay. Read CSV. Okay, go in between the D and C. Press shift and then the hyphen button. Shift and that hyphen button. Yes, underscore. Yes, and then brackets. Brackets. Then write df. Press enter. df1.head. 1.head. Close it. No, sorry, not close, sorry. Brackets. I'm so used to this language, brackets. Put brackets. No, not curly brackets, brackets. Yes, run that cell.
I click run.
Yes. Okay, let's see where the error is coming from. Scroll. Scroll again. Scroll. Scroll. Scroll until you reach the. Yes, this is why I told you not to use OneDrive.
Okay.
But that is just, but okay, so you just use the same formula to read, but please okay, use any other place. You can put it on your desktop and read it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
The desktop is also. Oh, okay, yeah. I think I will have to do something to remove the OneDrive thing.
Yes. So, okay. You can now stop sharing your screen. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you very much for being attentive to the class. Is there anyone with a question before we finish? Diana, how is your
Yes.
anaconda?
Yeah, let me now share my screen.
Okay.
So that maybe you can guide me on what to do because I'm completely green.
Okay.
Yeah, let me share the screen.
Yvonne, kindly allow me to now have my night rest because I think I will wake up early to catch up with everyone. Yeah.
Yes, okay. So if you know you have finished, if you know you have understood everything, you can drop off. Let me remain with those who have not have issues are still having issues. My voice is disappearing. Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. So
yes,
this is what I have. No, I don't know. Which one is it? Yeah, this one. Sorry.
Why are you there?
Yeah, this is what I have.
Wait, have you downloaded Anaconda?
Yes, I have downloaded it.
Where is it?
Here. It's very fine. Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing.
Wait, press, it brings you an error. Press next. You have already installed Anaconda.
Yeah.
Then why are you reinstalling it? Go to the search button, the search bar. Go to the search bar. No, not there, not there. The Windows search bar, where you search for programs.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Search for Anaconda. Yes, open Jupyter Notebook. You have everything. It's
Let's
opening.
see. Yeah.
Give it time. There.
Yes. So the Anaconda was to help with the Jupyter.
Yes. Go to new. To new. Yes. Python. There. Yes. You are ready to go.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so good night, everyone. It was
Okay,
nice
good night.
having you here. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.